Next topic is discount. Now discount simply students must have seen price sheets on the articles which are kept in shops for sale and in malls. Okay. So why we are getting discount? The question arises in mind. Simply when the shopkeeper wants to sell his old stock, okay, then he is offering some discounts, and that is the main reason behind discount. Okay, so discounts are applicable on each and every thing, object, whenever we are purchasing from store, from mall, from shop, etc. Then generally discount is a type of concession that we are getting from the seller. Now how we can calculate discount? So first thing you should remember, discount is related to marked price always. That means discount is calculated on the marked price. Then if we want to calculate selling price, so simply selling price equals to marked price minus discount. Then the same formula we are having if we want to calculate discount percent. So the same discount upon marked price into 100. Okay. Now questions from exercise. The first question is, a machine marked rupee 5000 as is sold at a discount of 10%. Then find the selling price of machine. So first you have to write marked price of the machine. So marked price of the machine is rupee 5000. Then rate of discount is given to you. Rate of discount is given to you how much? 10%. So first you will calculate amount of discount. So as I told you, discount percent is calculated on MRP. So amount of discount means 10% of MP, marked price. So 10% means 10 upon 100. Off means multiplication. Marked price is 5000. So 0, 0, 0, 0. So rupee 500 is the discount. Now we want to find selling price of that machine. So selling price of the machine equals to MRP is 5000 minus discount is 500. So rupee 4500 is selling price. Okay. Then question number second. A shopkeeper marked dinner set for rupee 1000 rupee he marked. He sold at rupee 900. So now what percent discount did he give? So as you know, discount percent equals to what? Discount upon MP into 100. So 1000 was MRP and he gave that one in 900. So discount we have to find. So simply discount how much? 1000 was MRP, then 900 he gave. So 1000 minus 900, 100. So discount is 100 upon marked price is 1000 into 100. 0, 0, 0, 0, then 0, then 0. So finally, how much we are getting here? We are getting here we are getting here 10% discount. Okay. Question number 3 you can solve. Question number 4 also you can solve. Question number 5. In question number 5, a shopkeeper buys an article for rupee 300. Shopkeeper buys an article for rupee 300. Then he increases its price by 20%. That I actually told you in introduction of this video. Discounts are simply whenever a shopkeeper wants to sell his product, he offering discounts, and these are the tricks to apply discounts. So first, the shopkeeper buys an article for rupee 300. So you have to write cost price of an article. Cost price of an article rupee 300. Now he increases its price. So increase in price. How much? Increase in price 20%. Increase in price 20%. So marked price that we have to find. Okay, so first we will find 20% of cost price. So 20% of 300. So 20 by 100 into 300. So this 0, this 0, this 0, 0 get cancelled. 20 into 3, 60 rupee. So he increased the MRP by 60 rupee. Clear? So he purchased at 300. 300 में उसने परचेज किया, 20% इंक्रीज़ किया, तो उसकी जो इंक्रीज्ड वैल्यू आई 360. सो जो न्यू मार्क्ड प्राइस है, ओके, सो न्यू मार्क्ड प्राइस इक्वल्स टू rupee 300 cost price. Then he increases MRP by 60 rupees. Means 20% increase किया और 20% कितना आता है 60 रुपये. So the new marked price is 360 rupees. Question number 1 solved. Now discount given by the shopkeeper. Then he gave 10% discount. Then he gave 10% discount. So marked price is rupee 360 and he gave 10% discount. So as I told you, discounts are applicable on MRP. So discount equals to 10% of MRP, that is rupee 360. So 10 upon 100 into 360. 0, 0 get cancelled, 0, 0 get cancelled. So how much discount he is giving? He is giving rupee 36 discount. Okay. So now second is selling price. Sorry, third is selling price. So as you know, selling price equals to what? Selling price means marked price minus discount. So marked price is 360 and discount is 36. So rupee 324 is selling price. Then the last is the profit percent made by the shopkeeper. So profit percent made by the shopkeeper. This is the fourth question. So for calculating profit percent, you must know about profit. So profit is SP minus CP. So rupee 324 is SP and CP is rupee 300. So from there rupee 24 is profit. Now we will calculate profit percent. So profit percent equals to what? Profit upon CP into 100. So profit is 24 rupee, CP is 300 into 100. 0, 0 get cancelled, 0, 0 get cancelled. 3 1 ja, 3 8 ja. So 8% profit. Okay. So question number 5. I explained you. Question number 6 you can solve. 7 is also same. Then 8 I'm solving here. In question number 7 questions are same. Then question number 8 and 9 both are same. I'm solving here question number 8.